Welcome to this lesson on the unit type in Kotlin. Today, you'll learn about functions that don't return meaningful values. Unit is Kotlin's equivalent to void in other programming languages like Java or C++. Understanding unit is essential for writing functions that perform actions without producing return values. Unit is a special type in Kotlin that represents the absence of a meaningful return value. When a function performs an action, like printing to the console or updating a variable, but doesn't need to give back any data, it returns unit. Think of unit as a way to say that a function completes successfully, but there's nothing useful to return to the caller. If you're coming from Java or C++, you're probably familiar with void. In those languages, void indicates that a function returns nothing. Kotlin uses unit instead. While they serve similar purposes, unit is actually a real type in Kotlin with a singleton instance, whereas void is simply the absence of a type. This distinction makes unit more consistent with Kotlin's type system. Here's how to explicitly declare unit as the return type. The function printMessage has a colon followed by unit, which tells Kotlin that this function returns unit. Inside the function body, it prints hello, Kotlin ! To the console. While this syntax is valid, it's not commonly used because Kotlin allows a shorter way to write the same thing. This is the most common way to write functions that return unit in Kotlin. Notice that the return type annotation is completely omitted. When you don't specify a return type, Kotlin automatically infers that the function returns unit. This makes the code cleaner and easier to read. The function printMessage performs the same action as before, printing hello, Kotlin ! But without the explicit unit declaration. Let's recap the important points. First, unit is Kotlin's way of saying no return value, similar to void in other languages. Second, unlike void, unit is an actual type with a singleton instance, making it a proper part of Kotlin's type system. Third, you can omit unit in function declarations since Kotlin infers it automatically when no return type is specified. This makes your code more concise while maintaining clarity. Understanding unit helps you write cleaner functions that perform actions without returning data.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.